Samsung's first smartphone launch of 2021 could take place next week. Samsung is reportedly planning to launch the Galaxy M02s budget smartphone in India. This smartphone will be priced at 10,000 rupees. Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy Buds Pro, its new TWS, on January 14th. The Galaxy Buds Pro has been spotted on multiple leaks confirming its launch, even though Samsung hasn't announced yet. Samsung Canada has now listed the Galaxy Buds Pro on its website, confirming the name of the wireless earbuds. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S21 lineup on January 14th, but before that, the company is tipped to introduce a new Galaxy M series smartphone in India. The new M series smartphone will launch in India next week with a big screen, which a leaked poster reveals will have a water drop notch for the selfie camera. LG Display will showcase a 48-inch 4K bendable CSO display at the upcoming Virtual Consumer Electronics Show CES 2021 conference. The display will be capable of switching between a flat screen and a curved screen. LG Display says the paper-thin display can bend up to a curved screen up to 1000 mm radius. After controversy on social media, Apple has allowed the Amphetamine app to continue on the App Store. The company had earlier asked the developers to remove the word amphetamine and pill from the icon. Amphetamine is an application that prevents Macs from going into sleep mode. Facebook has revealed in a blog post that more than 1.4 billion voice and video calls were made on New Year's Eve 2020 globally, which is over 50% increase compared to the same day last year. Facebook did not reveal the number of messages sent on WhatsApp this time. Last year, a record 100 billion private messages were sent on New Year's Eve globally. In India alone, 20 billion messages were sent on the messaging app. As per reports, a 12-year-old London girl is taking short-form video app TikTok to court, claiming that the European Union's strict data protection rules were violated by the app. In a major win for the anonymous child, a judge in London granted her anonymity so that she could continue moving forward with the lawsuit. Tesla has reported that it produced 509,737 electric vehicles in 2020. Tesla delivered 499,550 vehicles in 2020, a 36% increase over the previous year. Tesla delivered 180,570 in the fourth quarter, setting a new quarterly record and 30% higher than the previous quarter. British firm SpaceBit has announced it will send a rover to the moon later this year. The mission has caught everyone's attention over the unique rover that will land on the moon. Unlike the conventional wheeled rovers, SpaceBit is sending a rover that looks and walks like a spider. Called Asaguma rover, it is built on a single-unit CubeSat frame that is generally used for small satellites. The rover weighs just 1.3 kgs and runs on solar power. Instead of wheels or tracks, the rover features 4 arachnid-like legs.